Okay, so this is GBC Module 3.
This is the Jigsaw. This is actually a module that exists online.
So who did this?
I don't remember.
Look at that, how pretty this is. Who is it?
I think it was Phil.
Phil?
Yeah.
He's well known for his GBCs.
Well, he's one of the few guys that actually have actual CAD plans.
But you still have to figure out how it's going to feed regularly, right?
Yeah.
Get onto the Jigsaw.
Well, there's probably a hopper.
Would you just let it down here?
Yeah.
Like this would be a track right here?
Yeah.
So you'd funnel it in. So only one could get on at a time.
Not necessarily. This thing looks like it could handle a bunch of balls at once.
Oh, nice.
So I can just make a nice big funnel like that.
Well, let's see that then. Oh, so we got to find a website to point to for this one?
Sure, yeah.
Okay. And will it work with the smaller balls also?
It's probably designed for the smaller balls. When it was jostling around, these larger balls were actually falling off. I cleaned up the motion a bit so that it doesn't do that anymore. So.
What do you mean cleaned up the motion?
Get rid of obstacles that get in the way of this moving part here.
Oh.
So one of them was a plate down here, and another one was this Technics beam that I meshed out of the way. But
that would have been that way for the smaller balls too, right? Yeah?
Well, I needed this Technics beam. This is not part of the, if you'll bring the camera over, this is not part of the original design because I'm using a different motor.
Yeah. Now, did we really need the big motor in there?
It probably helps.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see. Gearing.
A pretty simple gear.
The Jigsaw, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are we rolling?
Yep.
Okay, so up till now we've been using the larger chi balls, which are blue. These are the smaller ones that guys like Akiyuki would use.
I have a bunch of these at home. I need to bring them.
Yeah.
So now the original rules had it going at one ball per every X seconds. So that's another dynamic. But we're not worrying about that yet.
See it?
Okay, what did you do? You changed the gear ratio?
Yeah, so I have the gear ratio to the max.
Oh, wow.
So it's the biggest gear we have with the smallest gear we have.
Oh, wow. You might need more balls to start with. Oh, not so bad. Well, a little inconsistent, or a fair amount inconsistent.
Yeah, there's a lot of noise because...
Too much bouncing.
Yeah, there's a lot of this stuff going on. So, learning every minute.